Hello all, welcome back. In our last video, we explored the thrilling highs and nail-biting lows of risk and returns, right? And I left you on a cliffhanger. So, are you ready to dive into the world of portfolio theory and diversification? Let's start with the portfolio theory. Now, don't let the term scare you away. It's just a fancy way of saying how to choose the right mix of investments. Not the amount, but the mix. Imagine you are at a fruit store. You could fill your basket with just apples, but what if you get a craving for a banana or an orange? That's where the portfolio theory comes in. It's about having a mix of different fruits. In our case, different investments. So you are always prepared for unforeseen events where some of your assets may go up and some of your other assets may go down. But with the portfolio theory, you will ensure your risk is mitigated. Now, in the stock market world, this mix is called a portfolio. And the act of choosing different types of stocks to fill your portfolio is called diversification. Now I believe I cleared the air about both the terms, portfolio and the diversification. Remember the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? That's precisely what diversification is about. By spreading your investments across different stocks, sectors, or even countries, you reduce the risk of losing all your money. If one stock or a sector performs poorly, you may lose all your money if you are keeping all your eggs in a single basket instead of diversification. So think about it. If you have all your money in technology stocks and suddenly the tech industry crashes for some reason, you will lose a lot, right? But if you have your investments spread across technology, healthcare, manufacturing, and other sectors, a crash in one sector won't affect your entire portfolio. That's the magic of diversification. It helps you balance the risk and potentially increase your chances of return. Now, here is a fun fact for you. The whole idea of diversification was proposed by a brilliant economist named Harry Markowitz. And it's so important that he won a Nobel Prize for it. So folks, if you ever thought stock investing is not a rocket science, well, it's a Nobel Prize level stuff. But remember, while diversification can help manage risk, it doesn't eliminate it completely. It's like wearing a helmet while riding a bike. The helmet won't prevent the accidents, but it can certainly reduce the impact if you have one. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how to effectively diversify your portfolio and how to balance it according to your risk tolerance and investment goals. We have already explored different types of investment strategies and learned how to choose the one that suits you the best. Now, let's see how to achieve your investment goals by minimizing the risk. I know it sounds a lot, but don't worry. We'll tackle it one step at a time. And remember, the stock market isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The goal is not to make quick money, but to build a wealth over time. So take your time, learn at your own pace, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing wisely.